In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check deleted invoice in Zoho Books. If an invoice was removed, whether intentionally or by mistake, you can still verify what happened using the built-in audit trail. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to read what you see, so you can confirm the details quickly and confidently. Start from your Zoho Books dashboard. First, head over to Reports. You'll find it in the main navigation. Reports is where Zoho Books groups all of your summaries and activity insights, and it also contains the log we need for tracing changes to invoices. Inside Reports, look for the section labeled Activity. This area focuses on who did what and when inside your organization. Open it to view the tools that track user actions across modules like invoices, bills, and payments. Next, select Activity Logs and Audit Trail. This is the comprehensive timeline that records creates, edits, and deletions. Think of it as the system's memory. Every key action is timestamped and tied to the user who performed it, along with helpful context so you can reconstruct what happened. Once you're in the activity logs and audit trail, you'll see a list of entries. To find deleted invoices, scan for rows where the module is invoices and the action shows as deleted. Depending on your screen size and layout, you may see columns for the date and time of the action, the user who performed it, the invoice number or reference, and a short description of the change. Click or expand an entry if an expanded view is available to read any additional details that help confirm you're looking at the right invoice. If you don't immediately see the deleted invoice you're looking for, check the date range controls at the top of the page. The audit trail view typically defaults to a recent window, so expand the range to include the day the deletion likely happened. You can also use the search field, if available, to enter the invoice number or customer name to narrow the results. Small filters like these don't change the process. They just make the list easier to sift through. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're viewing the correct organization if you manage more than one in Zoho Books, since the audit trail is specific to each. Also, access to detailed logs can depend on your role and permissions. So if you can't see the entries you expect, check with your organization's administrator. And that's it. Reports, then activity logs, and audit trail. There you can review deleted invoices with clear timestamps and user details.